What's going on, beautiful people? I have made this video 3 times already. However, every single time I realized something didn't work. First time, it wasn't even recording. The second time, the audio wasn't working. And then the third time, it wouldn't show. So now I know that this thing will not show you. However, I'm still going to attempt my hardest to explain to you how this would work. So pretty much, if you want to mute audio in Adobe Premiere Pro, I've seen a bunch of other YouTubers try and do it. I've watched plenty of tutorials, and none of them just quite seem to do what I'm trying to figure out. That was loud. So what I'm trying to explain to you is how to mute the audio, and other YouTubers will just tell you to click it, the audio, and then delete it. I tried clicking it and deleting it. It would just delete the video as well. So I will be showing you how to delete the audio on this one. So pretty much, it's up here by the way. So pretty much all you need to do is you need to press it, and I know you're not going to be able to see the menu, but just imagine a menu popping up. You press it and then you right click after you've already selected the clip that you want to remove the audio from, and you can't see it, but there's a white menu in front of me that has the words cut, copy, paste attributes, remove attributes, clear, delete, ripple, and a bunch of other stuff. However, what we're really going to focus on is around the middle, right? So you'll see label, speed, duration, scene, edit, detection. Then when you go down, you'll get something that says audio gain. When you click audio gain, it'll show you set gain to, adjust gain by, normalize max peak to, normalize all peaks to, and then the peak amplitude. Now that looks scary and confusing at first. However, I could just press delete the 0, which you can't see, and then just type -100 down there at the bottom. And then when you press OK, the audio will be removed, see? And then you can replace it with the audio that you've already come up with. Like, there's literally a voiceover feature in this. Or you can just take any audio that's here. For example, the rock electro motivational. And then you just drag it on underneath the audio that you just deleted. Then you can just go ahead and play the music over the video. And still have the extra video that you wanted. This. That's it. So that's really all you need to do. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna make sure this video isn't too long. It's already 3 minutes long. So goodbye, beautiful people, and I hope you have a great day or night, whatever time of day it is for you, or night. And just bye. Have a great life.